Hi, my name is Sharlee Lawless, and I'm with Citizen Rights Coalition. We're here today to talk to you about the charter amendments on the Springfield ballot. City Council has proposed 3 charter amendments, the second of which would add bureaucratic hurdles to the process of even starting an initiative process. There's 7 different changes in one question, and those 7 things range from lowering the time down to 1 year, to creating a 5-person committee, to having to deal with different city officials. Really, in short, this amendment will discourage citizen involvement, and at a time when we have low participation at actual voting, we really shouldn't be discouraging anybody. It will discourage citizen involvement and insulate the city government from the electorate. That's the long and short of it. That's what it's going to do. It's going to take our rights away. And, yes, we'll still be able to petition, but you're going to have to jump through all these hurdles to get it even started. You can't go out and get signatures. You can't do anything until you go to city finance. You got to go through this hole and that hole. It's a bunch of red tape, and it's a bunch of hooey, really. I'm concerned about this because, if you ever get involved in the process, you'll really understand why this is important. The petition process was put in place because the founders really tried to petition the government, and they got nowhere with it. So, they really felt highly about that. That's why it's part of the First Amendment. The First Amendment to the Constitution is the right to petition. And, with our city telling us that we don't want to hear from you, that is causing some serious heartache with a bunch of folks. They're tired of their government telling them what to do and when to do it, and they want a voice. And that voice, this is one of our ways to voice our opinion, is through the petition process. Charter Amendment number 2 will do nothing but discourage citizens. So we need to vote no. Protect your rights. Vote no.
Hi, I'm Fred Ellison with Citizen Rights Coalition. I'm here to talk to you today about a charter amendment that it will be on the August 7th ballot in Springfield, Missouri. Charter Amendment number 2 is based on the changes and additions to the initiative petition process. The process will be greatly complicated by the steps that will be required for new petitions after August the 7th. The petition will be subject to review by the city legal department, by the city finance department, and ultimately will be reviewed by the city council before any decision is made as to whether the ordinance will be submitted to the voters of Springfield. Not only that, but the petition will be limited in the time that it can be circulated to gather the required number of signatures. All of these changes tend to diminish the likelihood that a petition will be created successfully, that it will be circulated successfully, and that in fact it will impact citizens' ability to change their city government. We feel that the changes that have been proposed are a new set of bureaucratic red tape that will in fact discourage citizen involvement and will insulate the City Council of Springfield, Missouri from its own citizens. We feel that in order to protect your right to petition, you should vote no on Charter Amendment number 2. Protect your rights